Good day, Miss Catherine. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Mom and Catherine Joseph and 7 years old and I'm from Pagalan Valley, Philippines. I'm single and I don't have a children yet.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any kids?
No, Mom.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings and I am the youngest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm a college graduate, Mom.
In what course?
Bachelor of Science in Investment Management.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, Mom.
Please indicate your previous employer and what country.
I work in United Arab Emirates and my responsibilities is to clean the house and clean and organize inside and out the house.
Alright, thank you for that. Did you take care of kids from your previous employer?
No, Mom.
Alright, thank you. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a hardworking, loyal, and honest person.
Thank you. Do you have any tattoo?
No, Mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, Mom.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family and listen for my future.
Thank you. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, Mom.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
Black and clean and fun.
Thank you. Can you give us sing a nursery song?
Yes, Mom.
Alright, go ahead.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Thank you. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please trust me as your housemate, and if you trust me, I will do my very best and I will accept you as my own family. Thank you and looking forward to the great job.